So the manufacturer sent me over this multi-use torch to check it out. You know, I can use it for a lot of things, getting fire started, campfires, getting a grill started, or just, you know, any kind of fire you need to get started. Also, basically you could actually use it to sear meat with, make your crepe. You can make a massive creme brulee with something like this. But it looks like this. It's this top thing. You're gonna need to get your bottle, and it basically works really easily. You have this valve here. You just open it until you hear it, and then just one trigger and it's lit. So they said to just open this just enough to get it lit, and then you've got this going, and then you can just control it from here. You can get something going here good. You can get a fire started. Anything you need to heat up. Get some, you know, if you're trying to get some nuts loose, anything like that. You got a very, very fine control of it. If you're interested in it, I'll put a link down in the pinned comment.